Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, awarding it a score of negative 3.64. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of 34.67%. This translates to an average daily loss of 1.39% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which could present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $260.14 be breached, it will initially suggest a more pronounced rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 25% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 34% to an increase of 30%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of about negative 15%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 22% to an increase of 68% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $230.95 and $498.54. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for UnitedHealth Group stock after losing 2.08%. The UnitedHealth Group stock price dropped by 2.08% on the last day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, from $302.98 to $296.67. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.5%, ranging from a day low of $292.50 to a day high of $305.67. The price has decreased on 7 of the last 10 days, accumulating a decline of 23.05% over this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 15 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares being exchanged for approximately $7.73 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price is 52.96%, or $334.06, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. UnitedHealth Group is currently experiencing significant challenges as its stock price declined by 4.3% today, reflecting ongoing concerns among investors. A key factor contributing to this downturn is the recent downgrade by analysts at HSBC, who pointed to delayed recovery prospects due to risks associated with earnings. The stock has now fallen nearly 39.3% year-to-date, following the resignation of CEO Andrew Whitty and the withdrawal of the company's guidance for 2025. Adding to the turmoil, a report from the Wall Street Journal indicates that UnitedHealth is under criminal investigation for potential Medicare fraud, leading to a sharp decline, with shares hitting a troubling low of $59.13. Which represents a significant drop of 19% at one point. Compounding these challenges, a class action lawsuit has been filed against the company, further shaking investor confidence. In the short term, these developments could result in increased volatility and further devaluation of the stock as investors consider the implications of the legal and operational issues. In the long term, if UnitedHealth is unable to effectively address these areas of scrutiny and stabilize its management, it risks experiencing an extended period of negative market sentiment and diminished investor interest. Overall, today's events signify a troubling chapter for UnitedHealth Group, with potential repercussions reverberating throughout the health insurance sector. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned UNH an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned UNH a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $301.63 and $429.95. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and so far, it has risen 8.14%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands. Buy signal was generated 29 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal emerged 4 days ago. Long-term moving average. Sell signal was indicated 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal noted 23 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. Sell signal noted 26 days ago. Long-term moving average. Sell signal indicated 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal recorded 21 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $291.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.17 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.5%. In the last week, the stock's average daily volatility was 5.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.47. It's essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $291.91. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider transactions. On the 16th of May, 2025, Rex John F. conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grant the right to buy. On that same day, Flynn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Gil Kristen conducted an insider purchase of 3,700 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 87.731. In total, insiders purchased 1,049,119 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $1.61, beginning trading at $298.28. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.